Hello, dear doers, and welcome to this course on the e-commerce application. I'm here today with my friend and colleague Tom.
Hey Sarah, hey guys.
Hi, Tom. When selling products online, of course, what we want is to set up our store quickly so our business can generate sales and revenues in no time. So let's find out how to create our first product in Odoo. So I'm here in my database and I will go to my website application. I've actually started a clothing business with my colleague Tom, so we want to set up a first product. And as easy as it is, we will create this product from here. And since we have a big sense of humor, we called it sarcasm. And already here, I have my product set up and I can start customizing it as much as possible. I can, for example, change the sales price. I can also add a description to make it more understandable to my customers. I can also modify or remove my terms and conditions from here. And I can set up an image for my product that we have actually designed with my colleague Tom. And here it is. I can also decide to customize as I want by, for example, removing or putting the share button so that my customers can actually decide whether they want to share my product or not. And I can also customize it by adding a rating button or not. We will leave it like this for now. I can also add a block. For example, here I want my customer to know what the steps are to actually buy the product. And I can either choose to put it for all products here or only for this product, which I will do here. And now, for this part, I can also decide to remove, for example, the description that goes with the steps that I think are clearer enough like this. And I can also customize it by changing, for example, the type of line that I have. And I prefer actually to have curved arrows. So I will leave it like this. I will save it. And just like that, I can just start publishing my product and it's ready to be sold. And that's very easy, right, Tom?
Super easy.
Wait until you see what else we can do with e-commerce. That's all for this video. Take care and we'll see each other in the next tutorial.